my guys, what's going on, man? Welcome back to another video, man. Y'all know I'm your boy Fatkat, man, bringing you another one, man. So today, man, we're heading out to one of my dude's cribs, Concrete 392. Pretty sure you guys have seen him before. I shot him out before. He has the Destroyer Gray Charger with the 392 with the green calipers, man. Stupid, nasty car. Love the way that color contrast is. I've never seen it before. Anyway, man, we're heading over to his house, man, because he'll be doing a couple, doing small little jobs on a couple cars or whatever. So we're gonna go over there and check it out, man, and see what we got going on. So as soon as I get there, man, I click this camera back on, and we'll go from there, man. Let's go.
Yeah, it just has a light in the middle right here. That new one's supposed to be clean, bro.
The European light?
Yeah, nah, I guess kind of. You know, a lot of those cars got those lights sometimes. Like you'll see them on like Subaru.
Yeah, it's the European lights. That's for
the older VWs. They have the fog light and stuff.
Yeah, the fog, right. You're here with my dude Paul, man, Concrete 392.
Yes, sir.
Y'all know he over here breaking his diffuser.
Trying not to break the diffuser too much. Trying to get it out. Where you working?
So you taking this one off? He said to sell, because you got a new one coming.
I got a new one coming. And yo, I don't want to put too much pressure.
I think I got this one on camera. I don't remember, man. But like I was telling you guys, man, it's the Destroyer Gray with the green calipers and everything. Look at that contrast. That's disgusting, man. I like that. Oh, you got the two of those too?
Yeah, it's just pretty decent, man. We're almost there. Don't break. I'm cussing on camera. Sorry about that, man.
Ah, you good. So this is gonna go in your car, which is the Destroyer Gray one back there. What was your Instagram again, man? So people could go follow you, man.
Savage_392.
Savage_392. There you go. Follow the build. Go on there, and he about to put this diffuser on there. Damn, the camera got dark. There you go.
Come on, man. I can't break it. That's
okay, yeah. Don't get frustrated. You get frustrated. That's what happens.
Yeah, just hold that shit right there. Almost got it, son.
So close yet so far.
You haven't turned it on at all this morning? So they just got it off, man, but Paul says he's about to bless you guys with a cold start.
You got to. It's a Dodge thing.
Good, man. You catless too?
Yeah.
Catless and mid-monthly?
Yep.
But you still got the so you exactly like me then?
Yeah, same stock type on the back. I just got the resonators on the red.
Yeah.
Catless, mid-monthly.
What you got stainless works?
No, actually.
Uh-oh, here we go. Uh-oh.
You'll see what I got in a minute. I'll tell you in a minute.
All right. So he just pulled off my man's old, well, you know, factory diffuser, threw that to the side like it was garbage. Now, now he about to put on this one. Which one is this one, man? What
This is the Icon Motor.
The Icon Motorsport, right?
Yep.
Icon Motorsport diffuser, man. He's putting it on this one now. The 5-inch tips on that. Ooh. Where you got your tips from?
Magnaflow.
Magnaflow?
Magnaflow, yeah.
You got a whole exhaust or just the tips?
Just the tips.
Okay.
Just the tips. No muffler, no resonators.
No mid mufflers, no resonators.
Nope.
Okay. You still got the you still got the cats for now.
Yeah, still got the cats for now.
For now.
For now. That's a work in progress.
Yeah, man. So if you guys don't know, man, really that's all it is, man. You just right through here, man. You just kind of put it in there. There's a bunch of like clips, basically, and then you got obviously you got the clips from the bottom of the car that you guys can see right there, and you just clip those to the bottom, man, and that's it. Pretty much done after that, right?
Simple swap out.
Yep. So.
Smooth, but got your man sweating like crazy.
That's because we're in Florida and it's probably almost 90 degrees.
I know, right? Like 100 degrees out here.
Ain't know I was a backyard mechanic.
I see, man. I see. That's like the theme here in Florida, man. You know what I'm saying?
It's called the side yard mechanic.
The side yard mechanic. Yeah, man. So they just finished putting on the diffuser. Now they about to, you see they just took off the middle part of the Wicker bill here. And he's about to paint it. Right? He's about to paint it so it could be all black. You got Infamous 6 there again, man. Should be popping up like a ninja everywhere. Always around.
That's my Wicker Bill painting box.
I can see the outline of it already. Make sure you match it up.
I did a couple of them shits. Yeah, everybody want to do it now. It's like 116. Like, I want that shit.
Here y'all go, man. It's the do-yourself blackout. Your Wicker bill.
If you're tired of that,
It actually comes out pretty clean though. I'll show you guys on his car how it came out. What paint is that?
Something my cousin bought. I don't know. I don't know.
So Satin Canyon Black.
Yeah.
Bonds to also bonds to plastic and all that. Well,
Yeah, so that's what we need.
Rust-Oleum. Yeah.
So I wasn't the one that bought it. Cousin bought it.
So there you go, man. So for those of you guys that might want to do this at home, you guys
Make sure you
kind
get
of see.
something that bonds to plastic.
Right. Look like you're doing this a couple times, man. You got that good stroke. Alright, man, so he just finished it. So this is just the first coat. He's gonna come back and do another coat. So you only do the one side of it though. So you do one side with it, so the other side is like nice and shiny, whatever. This side obviously will be like spray painted, but the other side on the back side will be super shiny, man. So there y'all go. Here you go, man. So this is Paul's car. So you can see he did this. He did his already. So yeah, spray painted on one side, but then when you look on this side, it's super shiny, man. Super shiny and nice. Look at that. So there you go, man. The cost of a spray paint can, and you get yourself a whole nother look. And then when you actually look at it, it actually does make it look like a little bit bigger in the back, man. It looks a little, you know, make it look more beefy. I was thinking about doing it with Christine, but I don't know, man, because Christine, she has carbon fiber Wicker bill. So I don't know if that black will look good with that carbon fiber Wicker bill, because it'll be carbon fiber and go to, you know, like a black or whatever. So I don't know. I'm debating on it. We'll see.
Hit it from a different angle, opposite direction now. That way you get a nice even coat, like, you know, nice even coat going. everything dry.
There you go, man. So that's 2 coats is all you do?
Yeah.
That's why you call yourself what? The backyard mechanic?
Backyard mechanic, that's it.
He just said he said he lowered like every charger in Florida right now.
Every charger in Central Florida area is lowered by me.
In this garage.
In this garage right here.
With your what? Let me show this over here. With your what do you call this?
Yeah, we call it the soup bowl.
The soup bowl of tools, man. Look at that.
That's it.
He said this pan of tools did a lot of work
That thing do some work, man.
in Central Florida, huh?
That's right.
Oh, that's funny, man. He said he's lowered Mustangs with that thing, numerous charges,
challenges,
all with that pan.
all with that pan, man. Make it
So,
happen.
so that pan costs a lot of money.
Pan, a jack, stands. Gotta make sure you have the stand.
Gotta make sure you have stands, bro.
Safety first.
Man, that's what's up, man. Oh, you got the nice heavy duty jack too.
Yes, sir. 2.5 tons.
Taking out the lights right now. He's about to shit, man. I'm about to do some my stuff, man.
Hey, man.
Yeah, man.
Backyard mechanic, bro.
Nah, he's taking out the lights right here, so he gonna smoke it out with a different tint spray. Basically, it'll tint the light, but you can still see right through it. That's what you did with yours?
Yep. Simple, man. Just takes a few minutes to get it apart and work up.
Putting in work over here.
Gotta have the dirty hands, man.
I like my hands to be nice and soft.
Yeah, trust me.
Call it baby hands. My wife likes it better. Huh? You want to edit that out? Why would I edit that out? It's true. Huh? Yeah.
It ain't. See? His hands is.
My wife likes them baby hands, so I don't cut her up at night when I'm caressing her.
This is the hands of a steering wheel holder. AKA a soup bowl
Look at that.
mixer.
Look at the difference.
See, my nice.
Oh, y'all got good hands. Y'all dudes, see?
That's what I'm saying.
Y'all dudes don't touch nothing.
But my wife? Yeah, man, so he brought these over here. And like I said, he sprayed these with, I'll show you the can over there, man. But he sprayed these with like it's a transparent type of spray paint. So it fades them out. But then, you know, from there, you can still see the light shining through, man. Let me show you guys that paint can real quick. Here it goes right here. So you see it says translucent black coating. It just says lens tint too. So there you go, man. So he used this one for the Wicker build. Like I said, this one bonds to paint. I mean bonds to plastic and all that. He used this one for the lens, man. So it should be coming off all you know, all smoked and everything else. But like I said, you'll be able to see right through it. But alright, man, I ain't trying to make this particular video too long, man. It's gonna be a long day because he's about to start doing something else with the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this one. So like I said, so don't be too long, and then we'll start another video, man. So you guys can continue watching on the, you know what I'm saying, for the next part of this day. So anyway, man, so we here, like I said, my dude Paul, man. Make sure you guys go follow him. It's gonna be at the bottom of the screen, man. Concrete 392, man. He got that dope, well, you guys already seen it, man, that dope destroyer gray with the green calipers, man. Stupid contrast, man. I love that contrast. But anyway, other than that, man, you guys already know, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Hit that notification bell. Make sure you guys stay tuned for, you know, all the rest of the stuff that's coming up. Like I said, we're getting ready to start recording the second part of this day, which is about to do something else crazy. So about to go in and record that part. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that, man. Anyway, other than that, like, comment, subscribe, like I always say, man. You guys know I'm your boy Fatkat, and we'll see you guys on the next one, man. Later.